One of the biggest fears that new patients have with chiropractors is the manipulation of the spine. At our office, not only will we perform a thorough consult and evaluation, but we will also educate you on what to expect when you are manipulated. When you visit our office, we'll explain every step by step to make you feel the most comfortable for your whole chiropractic experience at Chiropractic and Rehab of Miami Lakes.